I'm your boogeyman. I'm your boogeyman. That's what I am. Now what you say? Come on and take my hand. I'm your boogeyman. Hey guys, sorry about all of that fuss. It's really Kristen Stewart right now. I'm just really bored, so yeah. So I have a question. Like, really? I don't know. Actually, I'm just joking. It's Megan Fox. Sorry, I kind of put a lot of cover up on my face and not on my body. Yeah, I have a problem with that. But really, it's just Michael Jackson. Yep. Uh-huh. I'm your pumpkin man. That's who I am. You wanna know who I really am? I'm your honey bear. Give me a kiss, honey. I'm your boogeyman. Oh my god. Who am I? Ew. Who is this guy? I'm a skull. I'm your teddy bear. Wanna give me a kiss? Ooh, I'm gonna be Tiger Woods. Hey guys. How do you like my body now? Evil skeleton attack.